Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? And this is the second edition of Too Good To Go Bags London edition. Yeah, that's what I'm going to call it now. So this is, as I'm in London, I thought why not try out the Too Good To Go bags here. And I've got Cafe Nero one. So far, since I've started doing these videos, Cafe Nero is the best. And this time I accidentally bought two. Normally sometimes I have bought two, but this time I accidentally bought two. I just left the hotel to walk to, I'd already bought one, left the hotel to go and pick it up. As I was halfway there, I looked on the app and I seen the date and I was like, oh, I've bought it for tomorrow. And I was like, oh, damn it. But I was already leaving the hotel. So I went back onto the app to see if they had any more left for today. So I bought it for today. But then the same date popped up and then I was like, it's actually the 8th today. So I'd actually bought two because I'd thought the 8th was tomorrow. But yeah, my sister's going to take one off me. So this one is going to be mine. So let's see what's inside this one. They haven't let me down in the past. Well, I've only had it once, but that was the best one ever. This was £3.9p. So we'll see what we got. So first of all, got croissant. So I'll have that tomorrow. It's breakfast is sorted. And I have a apple and almond one. So I had one of each of them in the last one, but I had a strawberry one in the bag, so I'm one down. I'm not comparing the bags to, well, actually I am, because that's the idea of the video. So anyway, croissant. Ooh, I haven't had this yet. Breakfast is going to be a banquet for me tomorrow. This is berry granola pot. So what flavour? Oh, berry. Mixed berries, yogurt, and that's at the bottom. Have I got a spoon? Yes, I have. The spoon's over there. So I haven't tried on these. Didn't even think about these would be in it. Actually, I'm going to have this tonight because of the date. So I'm going to have that later. Still more. So still going strong. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's cute. What is it? This is some sort of triangle. Don't know if it would tell me what's in it, but that looks like pecans on some sort of cake base. I don't know. So looks good. Then looks like I've got a sandwich. So I've got a cotto ham and cheese toasty. Ooh, are these already cooked though? Don't they normally have to warm them up? So I've got that one. And I've got another one. This is a brie and bacon. You know what? I'm sure you have to like cook these on site. Can I just eat it like that? Oh, it's got chutney in it. Do I like chutney? Do I like chutney? I don't know. So that's brie and bacon. Panini. Not too shabby. So that's my bag. Oh, there's something pinned on the side. So one brie. So I'm guessing that's that one. One cotto ham. So that's that one. One berry pot. And one, oh, that was a blondie. Oh, I haven't actually tried a blondie before. My friend Sophie was talking about them, and I bought some blondie mix, and I still haven't done it. So I can try that, and I can message Sophie to say I've actually tried a blondie. But we got way more than that. Oh yeah, when I went to pick these up, I was talking to the lady, like being nice, and she hadn't bagged them up yet, so she put extra in there. So that explains why there's a few extra. So on to the second one. I wonder if it's going to be the same stuff. So let's see what my sister's got. I hope it's not better than mine now. So I have recently washed my hands. So these are raisin twists. There's two of them in there. So too shadow. Oh, what's in here? Food inspired by Italy. Oh, that's a coffee cake. So don't know if you can see that. I'm trying not to make it fall out. But I've got a coffee cake. I love the smell of coffee, but I hate the taste. So I think my sister does like her coffee, so I think she'll be demolishing that. Seal it back up. So that's on the way up to her. Still got more. So she's got one of these pots as well. It's my brother-in-law as well. My sister isn't gonna eat all of this. So it's probably going to be more like my brother-in-law that eats all of this actually. So a very big granola pot. Then a butcher's sausage chia batter. I'm sure they have to heat these up. Like, can you eat these cold? I know you can, but I thought these are what they have to cook in store. I don't know. They've got one of those, and also a cotto ham and cheese panini sandwich panini. So pretty much the same, but they've got the raisin twists instead of the croissants, and they've got this instead of the other panini. So, oh, and they've got the cake instead of a brownie. So not too shabby. I'm quite impressed with that. Nero, you are doing good. Not as good as the first one that I had, but going strong, Nero. I think I'm going to rest from Nero for a bit though and try others. So I've definitely got some new bits that I'm going to definitely try, and I'm excited to try. So I'm going to wrap it up there. Thank you for watching. If you are liking these London editions, then give me the love. Give me that thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I shall see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Bat. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.